Hello everyone, welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your app to the Apple App Store from Evlop Mobile App Builder, a Shopify-based no-code platform. If you have developed a fantastic app for your store and want to make it available to the world, let us help you with the step-by-step process to publish it. Follow along for guidance. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, this guide will simplify the process. So let's get started. We are currently on the Shopify dashboard homepage. Let's navigate to the sales channel and select the Evlop mobile app. Next, we'll go to the account section. To publish the app, we need to connect the Evlop app builder to your Apple developer account. If you don't have an Apple developer account, I can provide a link in the description to guide you on how to create one. To connect with the Apple developer account, we need to obtain a few pieces of information. Let's check. First, we should click on the Connect button, and here we go. We need team name issuer ID and a PI key file. After that, let's jump into the App Store Connect. We must log in to our developer account. Once we are logged in, we need to get a PI key file and its details. To do so, we should go to User and Access. Click on Keys, and then click on the plus icon to add a key. We should name the key as Evlop, a PI key. Choose Admin Access, and generate the key file. It's important to note that the key file can only be downloaded once, so we must keep it safe. Additionally, we need to use the same key ID for which the key file is generated. The key ID is included in the name of a key file, making it easier to locate and verify. We now have all the necessary information to connect our Apple developer account. Let's return to the Shopify dashboard. Here, the team name can be your business name or any preferred name. The issuer ID remains the same for every key generated. We can find the issuer ID above the key file section. Let's copy and paste it into the feed. Next, let's copy the key ID that we generated for Evlop and download the API key file. The key file name includes its key ID. Now, let's go back to the Shopify dashboard. Select the key file. Open it. And click on Connect. Yes, it's now connected. The iOS developer account connection process is complete, and we can now move forward with publishing. Let's go to the app publishing page to request an iOS build. However, we have encountered an error due to the absence of an app inside the App Store Connect. To fix this, we should create an app in the App Store Connect. Before that, let's check the iOS bundle identifier. We can find the iOS bundle identifier by going to the app setting page and locating it under App Info. This identifier is needed for creating an app for iOS. To create an app, we need to go to App Store Connect and then to the app section. Let's reload the page. and click the plus sign to add a new app. We need to check on iOS. Name our app. Select the primary language and choose the bundle identifier that matches our Shopify dashboard. We can verify the identifier again from the Shopify dashboard and add an SKU if you have one. After giving full access, we can click Create. Now, the app has been successfully created for our Shopify bundle identifier. Before we proceed to fill up the details, let's request an iOS build. To begin, return to the Shopify dashboard and go to the app publishing page. Request an iOS build and make sure to check the box for capturing and uploading screenshots. Keep in mind that this process may take up to 12 hours. After a while, reload the page to see if the build process has been completed. Next, open up App Store Connect. I prefer to open it in a separate window. Click on Apps and select the app that has been created. Here we can see the screenshots have already been uploaded. Scroll down and add the latest build to publishing from TestFlight. Once done, save the changes and the app icon will be updated. It's now time to add some promotional text about the app. This can be a brief description or highlights about the app. Add a full description, include keywords related to the business. Include copyright details and a link to the website support page. Scroll down top review information and add personal details such as your name, phone number, and email address. If the app requires signing in for full functionality, check the box for sign in required and add credentials for a dummy account. This will allow the App Store review team to fully examine the app. You can also add additional details and files in the Notes and Attachments section. Finally, move to the app information page. The app name should already be listed, but you can customize it if needed. Next, navigate to the Content Rights section, which is about third-party content. Select No if it doesn't contain any. Mark it as done. Then move on to the Age Rating section and carefully choose the boxes that apply to your business and product. In my case, I'm not trading any of these items, so I marked None for all options and clicked Next. The App Store uses these forms to verify age limit. Next is Age Rating 2, where we need to select No for unrestricted web access and instances and gambling. Then click Next and check the box if your app is specifically for kids or needs to be restricted to the 17 plus age group. Otherwise, you can skip it and click Done. After that, choose the categories that best fit your business. I am selecting shopping. You can add a secondary category if needed. Once done, save the changes. Next, move on to the pricing and availability page. Click on Add Pricing and select your currency or choose to skip if it's free. In my case, my client doesn't need to pay to download the app, so the price is $0. Click Next as the app is free everywhere and then Confirm. Now, set the availability of your app. You can choose specific regions or countries, or select all, and click Done and save the changes. Finally, go to the app privacy page. Click Edit under Privacy Policy and insert your store's privacy policy URL. The second option is optional, so you can skip it if you don't have it. Save the changes once done. Here we need to provide additional information further. Let's get started. Collection of data. No, we do not collect data. Save it and publish the app's privacy details. Now let's get back to the Prepare for Submission page and add our app for review. Submit to app review. And yes, our app has been submitted to app review. The review process may take up to 48 hours. Upon successful review, your app will be available on the Apple App Store for customers to download. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on how to publish your app to the Apple App Store using the Evlop mobile app builder. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made the process more understandable and manageable for you. If you have any queries or concerns, you can reach out to us. Contact details have been mentioned in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.